took a licking, came back kicking. I'm alive, I'll survive. And now I have a mission. I'm not too old to reach my goal. I learned a godsend lesson. I walk with pride, I hit my stride. I found it all a blessing. Alive, survive, I am alive.
Alive 55 and Kickin is about stories and about music. The power of music, the sound of the human voice, is the instrument of the highest praise. So here we took people and music coming together, music as a healing force, music to shift and change lives.
And go. When I look back over my life, my turn, and I think things over, and I think things over, I can truly say that I've been blessed. I can truly say that I've been blessed. I've got a testimony.
When we start our music program for our young people and for our adults, some of the things we do is designed to get our blood circulating. It is designed to get the blood flowing through the brain. It is to allow our system to automatically rejuvenate itself.
I want you to think about filling up your entire mechanism with air, right? Not just your chest, not just your neck, but we're gonna, as if you're gonna fill up a balloon and it's going to pop, you're gonna breathe in your whole body all the way from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, and then you're gonna let it all out. Right? Don't hold it out. Just let it all out. All right? My ladies on this half of the room, okay? You're going to sing a note, and you're going to sing it on ah, okay? So the note is ah. Men on this half of the room, okay? We're going to go on a lower note. The entire room, let me hear you together and
Sometimes we come through the doors and we don't realize that our mind is somewhere else. So we ask people to drop the bags at the door, anything, aches and pains or troubles or worry about children and family or anything that goes on. We give an exercise that said you can get it off of you. Just like you turn the light on and turn the light off, you could do the same thing with your thoughts and feelings. Off, 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 off,
out, off, off. Say woo, 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 woo. Use your hands. Woo, woo, woo. And relax. Good. Deep breath in and blow it out. Oh, good.
This is a time that we would like to hear some of your testimonies. What have you been grateful for? What have you overcome? Who in your life has been special? Who has been life that you want to really love and want to say thank you to?
If you knew me, you know I am grateful for being alive and celebrating 3 weeks ago my 80th birthday. That my family loves me, and I return that love every day.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine,
Can you tap your neighbor next to you? I want you to say, you've got to let it. All right. And Mama Vi, I'm going to sing this last piece of the song, okay? We